Before we begin, let's take a look at some well-known logos. As seen in these examples, a logo traditionally consists of a simple icon that represents the brand, along with the name of the company. The following are steps to creating a successful logo. After meeting with your client to discuss their request, we need to come up with ideas for images. Start off by writing down a list of 5 to 10 images that could represent their company. Our company for this example is a design company called J. Rivard Design. Next, begin to sketch out images that can represent the words you wrote down in the previous step. These are some examples for the words light bulb and brain. At this point, you should still be using pencil and paper, not the computer. Now you need to sketch out some ways you can display the letters and words of the logo. Experiment with overlapping and intersecting the letters. Be sure to try out different legible typefaces. Keep in mind the rules of typography from our previous lessons. Now that we have some images and text, we need to combine them. Select your favorites from the previous steps and explore different combinations. Try placing the text above, below, or to the sides of the images. Narrow down to your favorite 3 versions from the previous step and render them in a vector program such as Adobe Illustrator. Be sure to apply colors using the color theories we learned in the previous video, and be sure to use no more than 2 to 3 colors per logo. Then present to your client. After your client picks their favorite logo and you make any requested revisions, you then need to export it in a color and black and white version. Provide your client the logo in a PNG format for use on the web and in an EPS outline vector format for use in print. Some final things to remember from the good and bad samples shown here. Keep the image simple, make sure it is clearly viewable when used as small as a business card, and avoid overly fancy typefaces that are difficult to read.